In this video, you are going to see how to upload file in Google Drive and share the link. So let's get started. Let us go to any browser and write here Google Drive. And let us click the first link and click on sign in. And it will sign in automatically using your Gmail, and you will find this kind of interface. Or you can simply type in your browser drive.google.com, then you can go over here. Now from this very left corner, click on new folder, give a name folder for share, click on create, then a folder will be created. Now click on over here. Now you can drop the file over here, or you can click on right button and click on file upload. Now let us go to desktop. Here I have a folder. I want to upload these 6 images. Click on open. Then the images will be uploaded in this folder. Here you will see the uploaded is completed. Now if you want to share this folder, click on this small arrow symbol and click on share, and again click on share. Now from here, click on anyone with the link and make it viewer. If you make it editor, then everyone will edit this folder. Anyone can remove a picture from this folder, so we have to make it viewer and click on copy link. Now if you provide this link anyone, let us open an incognito browser and paste a link over here. I have copied and click on enter, and here he can very easily find the access of the folder. If he click on over here, you will see the image and he can easily download it. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.